Hello friends, in this video we will see serialization in Android Studio. The serialization is nothing but it's converting the Java object into the bits and byte. Okay, we'll take a new project, change to the linear layout. Okay, I will explain with I will take on small design and I will explain. Change the orientation as a vertical. Remove this text view. For this, in the first screen, I will take two plain text and one button. I will design all three edit text, both edit text and button. Okay, I will remove this name. I will give the hint, enter first name. Okay, add the hint property. Enter. Okay, add the hint property as enter second name. Okay, the design is that when you are for example, when you are sending a data from one screen to other screen, okay, if the less number of data you can send by using the i.putExtra method. But if the data is more, for example, when you are sending the data of the first student for the first name and second name, if there are 10 students, that's okay. If more than 100 thousands of students, you can't send the data by writing the i.putExtra method. For that we need to create the one student object and store all the data into that object, and we can send the only that object. For that we require the one. Wait a second, guys. Okay, now we'll take one empty. For that we require one Java class. We need to write. Okay, first we need to create the one object for that. Now we'll take this is the second activity. Yeah. Okay, when you are passing the data from one screen to other screen, there is only two methods, by using the intent class and the putExtra method. Now you can tell by using the one more method, that's by creating the object of the which data you are sending. Now I am sending the data of the student, the first name and the second name. Now I will create the object of the student and I will send the only object only, not both the data. For that I require one Java class, will write. Yeah. Now I initialize both edit text. Now variable e1 and e2. Initialize the e1 equals to with find u by id. Dot id dot id text. Okay, it's little bit so slow. Wait a second, guys. Press alt enter. Initialize the secondary text e2 equals to by using the find u by id. This is secondary text. Okay. Okay, I will initialize the button. button b equals to find your priority. r.id button. Now we'll write on click listen for the button. Okay, press alt enter. B dot new space capital B. Now we'll write the intent class for the connection between the two screens. Intent I is equals to new intent. Okay, main activity dot this comma main activity dot class main second activity. Yeah. Okay, now we'll take two strings for the get text of the for getting the text of the u1 and u2. I will take the variable f name. String f name equals to u1 dot get text dot to string. Okay. String s name equals to e2 dot get text dot to string. Okay, now we need to create the student object in that. Okay, for that we need one Java class. Open the browser. Okay, right click, new Java class. I will name it as a student. Press OK. Now the student is implements serializable. This can be achieved by using the serializable. Yes, we need to implement that class. Okay. Now we need to initialize both variables, that is f name and s name, private string f name and the private string yes name. Okay, for this we need getters and setters and the constructor. Okay, there is no need of writing the constructors, getter and setters. We can easily get by the intelligence window only. Okay, press alt and insert. Okay, and get choose a constructor, we will get both. Okay, now alt and press alt and insert, we'll take getters. Okay, same as setters. Okay, setter. Okay, yeah. Now the student class is ready. Now we need to create the student object. For that, student s is equals to new student. It's both the variable f name comma s name. Yeah, now the student object is ready. If you have more than 100 numbers of data, you can easily send with creating only one object. Now we'll write I dot put extra for the student. Okay, I will take a variable object into that. Object comma s. I dot put extra object comma s. Object in the table, that is variable for the s. Now we'll write start activity. Don't take start activity for result because we are not taking any data from the second child to the parent. Okay, now we'll design the second activity. Okay, in the second activity we are displaying only two, one that is the first name and the second name. For that we require the two text view. Okay, change the orientation as a vertical. Okay, insert the two text view, first one. Okay, now we'll design the both the text view. increase the text size as a 30 dp or 30 sp, 30 sp. Text size 30 sp. Okay, I will make it as a blank only. Okay, open the second activity in Java code. First we need to initialize both the text views. Oh, okay. Text view t1 equals to find view by id dot id dot text view. Press alt enter. Now initialize the second text view for the displaying the first name and the second name. For that we require two text views. Okay. Dot id dot second text view. Okay, now initialize both. Now we'll write intent I is equals to get intent. Now already connected, that's why we need to taking the both the data into the second step. For that we need to add the get intent bundle. Okay, in the last video I have shown how to transfer the data from one screen to another screen. In that I told everything what is the intent and the bundle b equals to I. Now we write student s equals to be bundle dot get serializable, and here we need to write the object that is a variable I have mentioned in the first Java. Okay, main activity Java. Once again I will open it. Yeah, here I have mentioned that is variable into the object. Okay, press and alt enter. Let's go. Okay, t1 dot set text. Okay, wait a second. Set text from the student object, that means s dot get first name. The second t2 dot set text from the student object, that is means s dot, because I have mentioned the student variable as a s, that's why s dot get student. Now we'll run and see. This is the first main activity Java. Okay, this is okay, now everything is fine. We'll run and see. Okay, now it's open. Yeah. Okay, first enter the first name. Last name. See, here we are sending the both the data into as a one object. Click on the button here guys, first name and this last name. Thank you guys, thank you for watching.